How to turn on or turn off your silent mode on your iPhone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So first step is that you can use your physical silent switch. You have to locate the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone above the volume off button you can see here. So you have to turn on your silent mode. So if you want to turn on your silent mode, you have to push the switch down here. So just push your switch down and you will see the silent mode is on. So to turn off your silent mode, you have to push your silent mode upward here. Just go and push your silent mode upward and the silent mode is off. So method 2 is that you can use your control bar. You have to access your control center from here and you will see your volume button here. You can adjust your volume button. And you can just go for the focus mode and you have to enable the do not disturb mode here. So that will also turn on or turn off your silent mode on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.